Hi guys, welcome to my new and improved makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make more content, and also tell me what other kind of content you want me to make in the comments. Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial. The first thing I use is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I spill it all over myself. After I spill it all over myself, I just rub it in with my hands. This stuff is super sticky and cheap. Just to show you how sticky this is, look. Oh. When I put it on my face, it sticks. Now, for foundation, I use the Sunset Makeup White Foundation and a Crusty Beauty Blender. I've used a lot of different white foundations and face paints, but Sunset Makeup is my favorite because it's very full coverage and it doesn't smell weird. I find that a lot of white foundations smell weird and are pasty and gross. But yeah, I just blend that shit all over my face until I look like I'm even whiter than I am. If you guys have a preferred white foundation, please let me know in the comments and I will review it and try it because I love to review white foundations. It's really fun for me. Okay, now I use the NYX waterproof Epic liner. I personally use the brush pen or the bristle liner. I just feel like it gives me more control than the liquid. And for my eyeliner, I start at the very corner of my eye, draw a line up, and I make a little triangle. And then at the very corner of my eye, I draw a line to connect the triangle on the edge of my eye to make the triangle basically engulf my whole entire eyeball. And then I just fill that sucker in. Your triangle does not have to be anywhere near perfect because I just go back and fix it. I just basically do the same exact thing that I did on the other eye. Also, sorry if I sound like a old lady smoker. I've been sick. I have not been smoking 10 packs a day. Just to let you guys know. You can see how ugly this triangle looks. It looks horrendous. But we don't worry, because I'm going to fix her right up. Now it's time for my favorite part, the inner corner triangles, or the upside down triangles. Basically, for this, I just draw a line straight down my face at the very inner corner of my eye. And I try to get it as straight and pointy as possible. And then I go back up and create a triangle. And like I said, the triangles are going to look ugly as hell in the beginning because we're going to come back and fix them. Basically, after I draw this ugly-ass, disgusting-looking triangle, I take my crusty eyebrow brush from e.l.f. and some white concealer, and I put a little bit on my hand so that I can take my brush and dip it into my concealer. And basically what you do is carve out the triangle so that it becomes super smooth and pointy. I prefer using a white concealer instead of white foundation because concealer tends to be thicker and can cover up more of the lines than foundation can. But when you're using concealer, make sure you blend right after you're done fixing your eyeliner, or else it will dry and it will look crusty and be disgusting. This part of my look takes the most time. It's the most trial and error, but to me it's worth it because it's what makes my makeup me and unique and definitely a Sophia look. Also, when I say that, I'm definitely not saying other people haven't done this makeup look before or that I invented it and it's uniquely mine. I'm just saying this specific eyeliner look is pretty unique to me. Also, like I said, this part takes the longest. The way I like to think of it when you're carving out the eyeliner is that the brush is an eraser and you're erasing scribble scrabble, or when you colored outside the lines and you erase it. I'm not even going to lie, this part was so ugly and horrendous. I just had to wipe the whole thing off. She was so ugly and disgusting, it looked like a turd on my face. Honestly, if you're ever doing a makeup look and it is disgusting and it's taking you forever to fix it, just wipe it off and start over again. It will save you so much more time. It's just so worth it if you just start over again. Like, literally, you can see how much better this line looks after I redid it. And now I just have to restart the whole process and crack my neck a little bit. Also, if you guys are wondering why I remade a new tutorial, it's just because the old one was so low quality. Like, literally, half of my face was in the frame, and then my mouth was wide open in the whole video. Like, girl, a piece of food is not going to fly in there. Please shut your mouth. I literally could smell my breath through the phone. It was absolutely horrendous. So, I hope you guys like this one. It's new and approved. And I honestly think I'm just going to delete the old one off of my channel. But, like, should I keep it for the memories? I don't know. You guys tell me. Here I am still doing my eyeliner. I told you guys it's like the most tedious process. But look how sharp my eyeliner will get. Like, it's honestly so worth it because it makes my eyeliner look like freaking blades on my face, and I love it. Now I'm finally done with that part. We can start with the top part of my eyeliner. Instead of using the e.l.f. brush, I like to use the brush on the concealer because it's like a wider brush, and it's just like, I just feel like it's better because the eyeliner is a lot bigger. And basically, I just carve out the big fat triangles on top of my face. This is where, like, if the triangles are way too big, this is how I, like, make them shorter and skinnier. Like, you'll see that they'll get shorter because I felt like the triangles were way too big and fat and, like, not cute. And I just do this process back and forth between both eyes so that they look symmetrical. And whatever you do, don't let that concealer dry. Blend that shit in. And try not to go over the eyeliner with the Beauty Blender, or else it will start to turn gray all around your face. Like, as you can see, while I was blending, I went over my eyeliner, and it got all gray and weird. So I had to, like, try to go back and fix it. So it's basically a bunch of trial and error and refilling and reshaping and recarving until it gets perfect. And you can see it's still, like, gray around my eyeliner area, but it's fine because when I do my eyebrows, I'm going to carve that area anyway. Speaking of eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Black Dip Brow. I think the shade is called Granite. And the same crusty-ass eyebrow brush. For my eyebrows, I draw straight up. I want my eyebrows to be straight and menacing, like evil. But Sophia, that's not how eyebrows naturally go. I don't care. I want my eyebrows to look like an evil supervillain, and I don't care. Once my eyebrows are looking even and evil, I take the concealer that I'm almost out of, that I literally have to use my Hulk muscles to get some concealer out of, and I start to do the same exact thing that I did to my eyeliner. I carve the shit out. For my eyebrows, I like them to look, like, very thin and pointy. But if you want your eyebrows to be big, then make them big. But for me, I personally like thin and pointy. I feel like it looks good with my evil supervillain brows. I just keep carving and carving right outside where the brow is until it looks good. And if the inside of your eyebrows are too long, just go over that part with concealer, completely, like, cut it off. Make it non-existent. And you're probably thinking right now, wow, Sophia, your forehead is looking gray as hell. It's okay because I'm going to go back over it with foundation and it's going to look okay. This process is also very annoying because I will literally just take off my whole entire eyebrow like I just did and have to go over it again. And it's so annoying. But it's okay because in my mind, I'll know that they're perfect. Also, for voice recordings, like, I feel like I never know what to say. And I don't want to stop talking and have, like, awkward pauses of silence. But at the same time, I don't want to be a jabbermouth and have nobody watch my videos because they want me to shut up. But honestly, a lot of people just really hate my voice. And all I can say to that is, if you hate my voice, then watch my video on mute. Literally, there's nothing I can do about my voice. I'm sorry. I live in Southern California. We all talk like this. If you don't like my voice, then don't watch my content. Anyways, I just feel like super astonished when other content creators' voiceovers are like perfect. I feel like I always mispronounce my words or like forget what I'm gonna say or have like weird, awkward pauses. I don't know. They need to teach me their voiceover ways because I need some help. I know what you're thinking right now. Damn, this girl's forehead is gray as hell. And to that I say, once I finished my eyebrows, you best believe I wiped all that gray shit off of my forehead. Unfortunately, though, every time you do like a goth makeup look, the white and the black will turn gray. Like if you're getting sweaty and your eyeliner starts to run, your face will turn gray. It's very annoying. But to fix the gray, you just blend and blend and blend with your beauty blender. And if it's super gray and ugly, just wipe it off and put some more foundation on and blend all over again. And I'm finally done with my eyebrows. Next part, I use the dip brow for my eyelids, and then I set it with a black eyeshadow. I just used the one from Urban Decay. I forgot to show it in the frame. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I put the dip brow all over my eyes first because I use the same dip brow for my nose contour. And honestly, the dip brow is like the best for contour. It's so good. I've tried gray contours. Nothing comes close to the dip brow. For my contour, I draw 2 lines down my nose. You're probably thinking, wow, this is really dark. Don't worry. It's going to blend out and turn gray. I draw a line right where my nose turns into like a circle. And then I blend everything out with the brush. I basically make like a little half circle. So it's not like a real circle. It's kind of like a rectangular circle on my nose. Sure, you put your contour under your nose and around your nostrils, or else you're gonna look really weird. For some reason, my nose contour looks darker on camera. I swear it was not this dark, but it's okay because it's time to set my face. I use the NYX HD setting powder. It's like a blurring powder and it's really good. And I use a crusty ass powder puff and I put it all over my face. And after that, I use the Fenty Diamond Balm highlighter. This is a very well-loved highlighter, if you could not tell. I know it looks disgusting, but I've had it literally for like 3 years. And it is still super good. And the funniest part is I got new Diamond Balm, like new highlighter, right after filming this video. And basically, I just mixed some of my white concealer with the highlighter and I put it down my nose so that my nose looks extra white. And then I set my face with the NYX All-Nighter Spray. For lipstick, I use this lipstick by NYX, but it's not matte. It's called NYX Suede, and it is so good. I don't know if they sell it at Ulta anymore, but you can get it online. And basically what I do is I just follow my natural lip shape, but I make an accentuated Cupid's bow. I basically take the wide part of the brush and I make 2 triangles on where my Cupid's bow is. And this is what the lipstick I use looks like. And for eyelashes, I use the Kiss eyelash glue. And instead of applying it to the lashes, like the lash band, I apply it straight to my eyeball. I feel like this works better for me because I use really fat, huge lashes. These ones are from a small business on Amazon. I forgot what they're called, but basically just look up big, fat, spidery lashes and they'll pop up. I just press my lashes onto my eye and then I'm done. Now all I have to do is my hair and put on a bangin' outfit. And this is the final look. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!